Hey, I'm Ruben Graham. I'm the install supervisor for Blue Jay Irrigation, and today I'm going to be showing you the Veggie starter kit. In this kit, you'll have a couple of products here. You got 25 stakes, 5 360 spikes, a couple fittings, the brown tubing, spaghetti. This is the conversion kit from the hose connection to the drip line. And then you have your self-piercing tool to put these into there. All right, so the plants we're gonna be dripping today are gonna be these 3 or 4 Swiss chard. And we're gonna basically just lay the pipe through here, through the garden, and basically snake it back to our hose connection. And that's gonna be our water source. All right, so I'm just gonna look for the easiest pathway to get from here to there. And it seems like we got a little pathway behind this plant, and we're just gonna sneak it right through this little fence here. Just poke that through. And then I'm just gonna unroll. I'm just gonna place down this sod stakes, and you wanna keep it about 4 feet apart. So once we get to the end, you just want to snap this off. And if you don't have these kind of pipe cutters, you can just use scissors or even shears. Anything with a sharp blade will do it. So you're gonna take your 360 spikes and you're just gonna place them in between the plants. And I'll just do something like that. When you have your 360 spike on the side, this is actually what you're taking from this pipe to the spaghetti to this head. So you just snap that off. You take your piercer tool, find where your sprinkler is, and kind of just go in the same area and twist and push. You take your spaghetti tube after you've pierced your drip line, and you kind of just pry it on, do an eye measure, and same thing for the sprinkler. You just wiggle it in counterclockwise, about a quarter turn to turn it on. All right, so you're gonna walk back to your water source, which is your hose, and then you put the connector on. It's basically just a thread that you would screw on clockwise. And then once you push the drip line onto the connector, you take the second thread and you twist it counterclockwise, and that tightens the drip pipe to the actual connection. So now that everything's hooked up, we can turn on the irrigation system. In order to turn the sprinkler on and off, it's just a left turn to turn it on and then a right to turn it off. You just have to judge the area of what you need to be watering, and it's not much here, so I would just do a quarter turn to the left, maybe a little more, and there you go.